KTIR, and KTIS installation.
Installation of 4-way cassette air conditioner. This installation is mainly divided into the following parts. 1. Preparation of installation tools. 2. Preparation before installation. 3. Installation of indoor unit. 4. Drainage test. Preparation of installation tools. During the installation, you may use the following tools. Preparation before installation. Wire stripping. Select applicable wire according to rated current value. 2 common specifications are shown in the figure. Strip rubber skin at both ends of connecting wires separately to uncover the connecting wire. Use wire stripper to strip wire core. Use wire crimper to clamp U-type plug and pay attention to distinguish L wire from other wires. Check the appearance of the air conditioner and the accessories. Check whether there is scratch or deformation on the appearance of the indoor unit. Whether accessories are complete, and respond to the accessories list of the installation manual. Accessories required for pipe installation: drain pipe, insulating pipe, hook. Prepare the accessories locally if above accessories are not equipped. Installation of indoor unit. Space requirement for the installation of indoor unit. Installation position of the indoor unit is determined according to the installation manual. Make sure that spatial distance around the indoor unit is more than 393 inches. Installation of the main body. Piercing on ceiling. Cut a quadrangular hole of 34.5 by 34.5 inches in the ceiling according to the shape of the installation paper board. Distance between ceiling and roof should meet the requirements as shown in the drawing. Reserve opening for installation and maintenance with the square of more than 24 by 24 inches, located in the ceiling at the side of drain pipe and piping. Installation of the hooks. Select the position of installation hooks according to the hook holes on the installation board. Drill 4 holes with a diameter of 0.5 inches, a deep of 2 inches at the selected positions on the ceiling. Then embed the expansible hooks. Installation of the hooks. Note: face the concave side of the installation hooks towards the expansible hooks. Determine the length of the installation hooks from the height of ceiling. Lifting indoor unit. Lift indoor unit. Insert hook into hanging groove holes at the 4 corners of the indoor unit. Adjust the clamp nut of the hook to make sure that the main body remains level. The inclination of drain pipe may cause the malfunction of water level switch, which may lead to water leakage. After completing the adjustment of position of the main body and its being level, fasten the nuts of installation hook to fix the air conditioner. Drill wall holes. Determine the wall hole position according to the exit pipe direction and the expected installation position of outdoor unit. Avoid wires and other foreign materials. Attention should be paid that the inside of hole should be about 0.5 inches higher than the outside. Put on wall socket. Pipe connection. Drain pipe is sheathed in insulating pipe for thermal insulation to avoid condensation and leakage on the outer surface of drain pipe. set the mouth of the drain pipe onto the root of the body's pump pipe. And clip the drain pipe and the outlet pipe sheath together firmly with the outlet pipe clasp. Multi-purpose adhesive is used to seal the drain pipe interface to avoid loosening the leakage. Coiling in any position is not allowed for water pipe. To prevent water from flowing backwards into the air conditioner while the air conditioner stops, please lean the drain pipe down toward outlet side at a degree of over 1/100th. Set up a supporting point on the pipe at intervals of 40 to 59 inches to prevent the drainage from bending. If the outlet of the drain pipe is higher than the body's pump joint, it is required to provide lift pipe for exhaust outlet of the indoor unit, and the distance of the lift pipe must be 12 inches or below. Taking the bottom of water pan as datum plane, the lifting height should be less than 30 inches. Otherwise, the water will overflow when the air conditioner stops. If drain pipe is in overlength, it is required to add vent hole at certain intervals to ensure for smooth drainage. The end of the drain pipe shall not directly touch the ground. Remove the protecting nut of the copper pipe. The cone should be vertical to top pipe socket. 2 wrenches are used to fasten the nut after the connecting nut is screwed to the bottom of bolt with hand, and loosen it moderately after tightening for further tightening. Firstly, connect the low pressure pipe, then connect the high pressure pipe. Wrapping is conducted in order, where power wire and signal wire are at the upper side. Connecting pipe is at the lower side, based on the approach to exit pipe. And do not pull serpentine pipe hard during wrapping. Pipeline which has been wrapped is threaded through the wall hole. Be careful and don't damage the wrapping layer. Drain pipe after insulation treatment is threaded through the wall. Connection of the indoor power wire and the signal wire.
KTIR 09 through KTIR 24. Use a wired connection with 3 communication wires labeled 1, 2, and 3 plus 1 ground wire. KTIR 036 and KTIR 048 have communication wires S1 and S2, wires L1 and L2, and a power wire for higher voltages of 220 volts. KTIS Wi-Fi connectivity. KTIS features a Wi-Fi connection for remote control via the Net Home Plus app. Seen here is the indoor unit wiring diagram with Wi-Fi connection.
Disassemble the cover of the electric control box. The indoor signal wire and the power wire are threaded through their corresponding wire outlet respectively. According to wire diagram of indoor unit and serial number labeled on the wire holder, connected wire group with order of marked wires should be reliably connected to its corresponding wire holder. Make sure that the live wire and null wire are not reversed connected. Pull the wire back moderately to make sure that the connection is secure. The press wire card is used to compress the indoor and the outdoor connecting signal wire and the power wire to avoid loosening resulting from external force. Pay attention to maintain an appropriate curvature of the wires, and the wire should not be pulled too straight.
For 36,000 and 48,000 BTU units, connect power wires L1 and L2 as well as ground. Pull out the S1 and S2 connector from the board. Insert the communication wires into the S1-S2 connector and tighten the wire connection. Insert the S1-S2 connector back into the board. Run the wire through the clamp and tighten.
Reinstall the cover of the electric control box. Installation of panel. Press the two grill switches simultaneously, then lift the grill up. Remove the air inlet grill. Remove outwards and take out the installation covers from the four corners. Align parts labeled with piping side and drain side with piping interface and drainage interface of the main body. Firstly, hang the panel hook at swing motor side and offset of the panel on the water pan hook, corresponding to the main body. Tighten the screws evenly under the panel hook until the thickness of the sponge in air outlet between the main body and the panel is reduced to about 0.2 to 0.3 inches, and the edge of the panel should contact with the sealing well. Connect the leading wire of swing motor to the splice corresponding to the main body. Take out all the four pieces of fixing sponges, which are pasted on the wind grinder of the indoor unit. Hang the hook behind the air inlet grill onto the panel hook. The leading wire of the control box of display board on panel is connected to plug corresponding to the control box of the main body. Cover the air inlet grill. Press the installation covers plate gently into the panel. Drainage test. Remove the water test cover and stow about 2,000 milliliters of water to the water pan. Operate the air conditioning in cooling mode. Check whether the water is discharged well. After 3 minutes from the air conditioner stopping operation, check whether there is any water leakage. Install the water testing cover.